What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing to you 10 ways that you can make money online in 2023. Let's get started with it. Number one, marketing agency. Guys, this is one of the most critical things out there for businesses of all types. You have to have marketing. You need to be on social media. You need to have a website. You need to have different things that are going to help you have customers come into your business so that you can take those sales from them. Guys, this is a huge skill that so many people do not have because A, they just don't have the skill, or B, they don't have the time. And so I actually own a marketing agency. I've been in it for over 4 years now. I know some of the pitfalls as well as some of the great things about what it takes to own a marketing agency, the challenges, the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. So what I can tell you is this is something that companies need. They need to have people do social media for them. They need to have people build websites for them. They need to have, SEO, running ads. These are things that people need in their business. You can make an income anywhere between 30,000 all the way up to multi-millions with this type of industry. It's, very, very broad range, and it comes down to levels of experience as well as the ability for you to set yourself apart in the market. Because again, a lot of people say, oh, it's super saturated. Well, everything is saturated. Let's be honest. There's not one thing on the earth that's pretty much unsaturated at this point in time. And so you have to be the one to cut through the bullshit and be able to actually provide value that maybe some other person or other agency isn't providing. And so there's a lot of things you can do. You can build websites for people for their e-com business. You can help be a lead generator, tons of different things, helping with brand strategy. So it's very open-ended. So you have to decide, where do you want to niche? Do you even want to niche down at all? Or do you want to go more broad, being like a full service agency that covers everything? Or do you just want to do, things like coaching, or consulting businesses on how they can improve, and then they do it all themselves, etc. If you'd like to start a marketing agency or you're thinking about it, go ahead and click the link below so you can book a call with me so I can give you some insight on some of the best practices and some of the not so good practices so that you don't make the same mistakes out there, and so you can save yourself time and money and a lot of headache. Go ahead and let's go to the next one here. E-commerce. E-commerce is huge, guys. It is running the world. People like Jeff Bezos are running the world. This is something that's just not going to go away anytime soon. It's only going to get bigger and better. We live in a day and age where you can actually click a button and have a product delivered to your home in about a day. This is crazy. No one has ever believed that this was possible before. This is the new age, guys. And so there's businesses that you can do on e-commerce, whether you're doing drop shipping, fulfilling your own products, shipping your own things out. There's crafts, like stuff on Etsy. There's just endless opportunities out there. If you've been on your phone or you're scrolling social media, you've seen an ad for an e-commerce product, I'm sure. And so this is a booming business that's just not going to go away anytime soon. And it's up to you to get your hands on it yourself and start tinkering with some of these different ideas out there. There's tons of different e-commerce styles you can run. You can do, one-time products. You can do recurring products. You can do digital products. You can do subscription-based. It's a ton of different things you can do. And let me tell you something, e-commerce has grown even bigger and crazier since COVID. And so that's something that you may want to realize is more and more people are relying on their goods being shipped to them. So they don't have to go to the store themselves and go shop around all the, different traffic and all that stuff. So that's just something that you may want to consider. It's huge, and take it from Jeff Bezos. This guy started with, online book sales and now is the mega giant of the world. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next one. There are some great tools out there for e-commerce that'll really help you get a higher average order value every time you get a customer. Something like ClickFunnels, which I have a link for in the description, is a game changer. ClickFunnels does it all, whether you're trying to get more customers, whether you're trying to sell more products, whether you're trying to be a blog. There's tons of different things in it. It has supercharged my business, and it will supercharge your business as well. Go ahead and check that out below. So like I said, guys, e-commerce is ridiculously insane as far as the amount of money that you can make. The sky is truly the limit. If you want any assistance building out an e-commerce brand, getting things up and running, started for yourself the right way, on the right foot, go ahead and reach out to me via email. My team and I would love to help you out with that. Next one here is blogger. So being a blogger basically would consist of you creating articles that are engaging and valuable to a community that you've built so that they can start getting some information on how to better their lives, whether that be in the beauty and fitness industries, whether that be in the marketing industry, whether that be in, making cookies, cooking, anything like that. There's endless opportunities to have a successful blog out there. You provide information of value. You also provide affiliate links a lot of times, if you're doing it right anyway, where you can have products or your own products that you sell available for people to click on so that they can go ahead and solve their problem that they're looking to solve. Both the information plus the product placement being proper, in addition to having other companies, if you have a successful blog with high traffic, they can run their own ads on your website and you can get paid from them by doing that and allowing them to share the ad space. So that is another really great way to make money with blogs. There are people out there making over $10,000 a month with blogging. It is becoming more and more prevalent. So if you have any kind of knowledge that you want to put out there and you're trying to actually build a great community and provide value, as well as make money for yourself and help those customers get something that would really benefit them, you may want to consider becoming a blogger. The next one here is social media influencers. Social media has taken over the world by storm, guys. TikTok influencers, YouTube influencers, Instagram influencers, you name it. There are ridiculous opportunities out there for you to make money online as a social media influencer. Whether you're a micro influencer or you are a larger than life influencer, there is money to be made. If you have an audience of any size and you have the ability to influence them to buy good products and services, and I say good products and services because your reputation is on the line and you want to make sure that you're providing the most value for your customers as possible and for your fan base. If you're familiar with the Kardashian crew of any kind, these guys can make some ridiculous money by even just posting about someone's product. I'm talking upwards of millions of dollars per post. It is insane. So if you're an influencer of any size and you have an audience that's engaged, and that is very critical, by the way, if you have an engaged audience, even under 100,000 people, you can still make a great living as a social media influencer. Brand deals, these are things that can really influence your net worth this year. By the way, if you happen to be a social media influencer, even if you don't consider yourself an influencer because you can't stand the name influencer, if you are a content creator and you're looking to monetize content and you want brand deals, my team and I also assist in connecting you with the right brands to help you increase your net worth this year. Go ahead and send me an email and also comment below if you're interested in any of that. I'd love to help you guys get started with that. Go ahead, let's go to the next one here. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell is basically where you promote other people's products and then in turn you receive a commission for the link that they click and purchase from said product or service that you are an affiliate for. And so this is a great way to make money. You can make six-figure income and beyond as an affiliate marketer. It's really the sky's the limit. And it gives you also a kind of a nice thing where you don't have to necessarily be responsible for fulfilling the product or the service or any of that. You're basically a middleman and you provide value to your audience and you suggest, hey, if you think this is a good product or service for your audience, you can receive a small commission or a large commission depending on the commission structure. The responsibility lies in the fact that you want to promote good products and services, but outside of that, when it comes to fulfillment, it's up to the company, and that's really a nice little weight off your shoulders. This is also something you can integrate with being a influencer and as well as a blogger. And so we've kind of covered both of those, but these things can definitely stand on their own. You can run ads as an affiliate marketer, through PPC, through Facebook, through TikTok, through YouTube, all sorts of stuff. You can do this organically through having people click links in your description or your bio of your profile page. Again, affiliate marketing, a great way to go. Let's go ahead to the next one. Consulting and coaching. If you have any level of expertise that is higher than someone else's, you have the potential to be a consultant or coach. using your wisdom and knowledge and helping another learn a skill set. Coaching and consulting can produce a very high income for you if you do it correctly. And as you gain wisdom and experience, you can increase your net worth over time being an excellent coach and consultant. You also can create coaching programs and courses using platforms such as Teachable, which I have a link for in the description here. It's a great way that you can bestow your knowledge to others on a mass scale by providing educational resources and creating a digital community. Some consultants and coaches can make upwards of 6 figures to 7-figure incomes. This is insane. It is a really, really high income skill set if you can be a good coach or consultant. And I think it's definitely one you should consider if you have the knowledge to do so. Let's go ahead and go to the next one, video editing. As a video editor, you're gonna be doing what it says, which is editing videos. Whether that's being an editor for a YouTube channel, TikTok page, being involved in a video production of some kind. The movies that you see these days all have editing done, and the editing teams, mind you, that can create these amazing films, amazing videos and pictures so that you can actually enjoy yourself in a seamless way and get the most value out of the art piece. As a freelance video editor, you can make hundreds to thousands of dollars a month or per project, depending on your level of experience. So this is definitely an online skill that you can learn and start today. Number 8 is copywriting. Some examples of copywriting could be writing a sales letter or script that helps convert customers into sales. Basically, you're using persuasive language and you're learning the human psychology and ways that you word things to help persuade people to actually take action to buy a product or service. You can become a 6-figure to 7-figure earner as a copywriter if you're good at it. All the greatest marketers out there today have excellent copywriting on their funnels, on their websites, in their social media posts, on their videos, billboards, etc. Copywriting is a critical skill and also can be coupled in with the marketing agency like we talked about earlier. But even if you don't want to be the owner of a marketing agency, you can still be a freelance copywriter, and if you're good at it, you can make some really good money. The next one here is remote commission sales closer or remote closer. Guys, if you are a good salesman and you know how to close deals, companies can hire you as an outside contractor to help close deals for them, or they can also consider hiring you as a part of their organization. If you have the ability to be persuasive and you have the ability to be crystal clear about why a customer should buy a service or product from this company that you represent, you, my friend, could be a remote sales closer. The income potential is out of this world. There is literally no cap. As long as you're able to keep closing deals, you can keep making money. I run into guys a lot who drive very nice cars, Lamborghinis and such. And I ask these guys, I'm like, what do you do for a living? And most of them actually say they're in sales. And a lot of them say they're in tech sales specifically. And so that may be something for you. Even if you don't want to be a business owner, you can certainly work for a company or organization or be a private contractor yourself. And you can actually make a crazy amount of money with commission sales. If you want to learn how to be a better commission sales closer, go ahead and click one of the links in the description and it'll show you just how to do that. And the last one here is website or funnel builder. Guys, like I mentioned, some of these things integrate within themselves. Being able to build websites or sales funnels, such as with ClickFunnels, like in the description there, this could create an insane amount of money for you if you're good at it. Having a great website or a sales funnel that's converting is one of the ways that companies can make millions upon millions of dollars every year or even every month if you have a successful converting funnel and you have the ability to build these. As an excellent funnel builder or website creator, you can actually make a ridiculous income as well. You can make incomes anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per website or funnel or beyond, depending on how much the product or service is that the customer is trying to sell. And if you're able to create a really converting funnel, you could definitely charge more than that, and they're still gonna get a great return on their investment. So these are things to consider as far as making money online. Now, real quick, back to online marketing. If you are a complete beginner and you're like, Mike, I have no idea what I'm doing with any of this. I don't even know how to make a website. I don't know how to do any of this stuff. It's okay. You have the ability to learn things, and you can also outsource things to other people. You can be the owner of a company and you can hire other people who are experts at certain things. to actually fulfill the services for you. So that's something that you can do. You can take a deep breath and breathe. But if you want to learn a certain skill set in the online marketing space, I highly encourage you to check out Tai Lopez. This guy is a giant in the marketing industry, as well as people like Frank Kern and even Grant Cardone. But Tai Lopez really changed my life early on, and I started learning from him a lot of different skill sets with marketing, online money making, and he has really great courses, guys, that are reasonable. Some of them are even under $50, or even some of them are ones where you can start for like $1. I mean, he's got good stuff, and I stand behind it. I have links in the description here if you want to check out some of Tai Lopez's best courses to get you started on your online money making journey. Learning some skill sets from Tai Lopez was really one of the things that was the linchpin, I believe, to getting me into the marketing world when I started out for the first time myself. The education that you learn is really incredible, and really education and knowledge is power. If you want to change your income this year, if you want to change your life in general, you have to learn things that you don't know, and you have to be willing to change and willing to adapt. And so if you're looking to change your life this year, if you're looking to make more money online in general, start reading some books, start learning some things from some courses, and I promise you, you will get there. I'll leave the links in the description for all this stuff here, whichever direction you want to go. And the other one I wanted to show you here is Tailor Brands. If you want to start a business, guys, if you're thinking of doing an agency or anything like that, you may want to consider forming an LLC. This helps protect you legally, so that if something goes wrong in your business, that some people can't necessarily come after you to try to sue you personally. They would sue the entity instead. And so LLCs are really great for helping protect your assets. Also, there's ways that you can get business loans, things like that, actually having an actual corporation or LLC, partnerships, etc. There's a bunch of different ones you can do, from C Corp, S Corp, all that. But the thing I like about Tailor Brands is that it really helps you build a business in a box. Essentially, it's super easy to get started with it. They help you with your LLC filing. They can even help you with logo creation, all sorts of things like that. And it's a great way to just have everything kind of taken care of for you in a simple way, so that you don't have to go in 10 different directions to get everything up and running. I'm going to show you really quick how easy it is to get started with Tailor Brands on making a business for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and just make a quick mock business name. So we'll do like Mike's Sporting Goods. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So you click on that, and basically what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you a questionnaire to where you can start figuring out the perfect way to get your business set up, the perfect formation, etc. So if this was like Mike's Sporting Goods, we're gonna do physical goods, and we're gonna hit next. And then you would enter your industry. So you would say, you know, something like sporting equipment. Let's see what they've got here. So sports shop or sports, any of this stuff. Okay, we'll just click sports shop, and we'll hit next. Okay, and then it'll go, what's your biggest motivation? They're just wanting to find out a little bit more information from you. You could say being my own boss. What stage is it? Are you ready to launch? You're already in business, or you're just an idea so far? Let's go ahead and say just an idea. And what do you want to focus on today? So what you can do is you can start making your website here. You can do logo and branding. They can help you make business cards, or they can get you started with your LLC formation, get you an EIN number or business tax ID, and you can get started here. And if you're not sure, you can click not sure, and they'll kind of help step in there for you and help you get directed along the right path. But I really like this. I think it's a great way to get started with any business in general. Tailor Brands has really got some good stuff going for it, and I wanted to go ahead and share that with you. Go ahead and click the link in the description if you want to get your business up and running and started with Tailor Brands. If any of this has helped you today, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see more videos from me here. I'm just providing you some insight and knowledge about what I've used and what I've done to make money online, and I'm here to share it with you. Remember, I've got a lot of resources and links in the description that you guys can check out that'll help benefit you and get you started and up and running. So go ahead and check those out. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. And if you're looking to make more money online and get started in general, making money online, this is the channel you want to stay tuned to. And I appreciate you guys. And remember, be alpha.